Introduction. 30 seconds. Hello and welcome to the Service Dog Companion, where we dig into the fascinating world of service dogs and the challenges their handlers face. Today, we're diving into a subject that's as complex as it is critical: service dog insurance in Australia. If you own or work with these incredible animals, you know how pivotal they are in disability support. But have you ever wondered why insuring them can be such a maze? Stick around as we unpack the legal and ethical intricacies that make this topic so compelling. Development, 8 to 9 minutes. So let's get to the heart of the matter. Why isn't service dog insurance as straightforward as we'd like? Well, service dogs aren't your typical pets. They're working animals. This means that they're covered under a tapestry of disability laws, animal welfare legislation, and insurance regulations. Each operates in its own universe, and when they collide, the results can be nothing short of perplexing. Picture this: a service dog is trained to navigate bustling airports or crowded shopping centers. This isn't an environment you'd find your average poodle in, right? The training alone can run up to $60,000 over 2 years, and with an 8 to 10-year working span, the stakes for insurance coverage are astronomical. And yet, the standard pet insurance model often falls short. Why? Because it just doesn't account for the unique risks these dogs face in their line of duty. One of the biggest hurdles is the definition of what constitutes a service dog. In Australia, the Commonwealth Disability Discrimination Act 1992 outlines specific criteria, but not all insurance policies recognize these nuances. Imagine being denied coverage for a work-related injury simply because your dog's trainer wasn't on an insurer's preferred list, despite meeting all industry standards. Sounds frustrating, doesn't it? This highlights the importance of not only reading the fine print, but genuinely understanding it. Now, let's delve into coverage scope. Does your policy genuinely cover injuries or illnesses stemming from your dog's demanding duties? As vet costs climb, understanding what work-related means in your policy is crucial. Is a stress-related condition from high-intensity work covered? How about repetitive strain injuries from guide work? These aren't just questions. They are essential considerations for anyone relying on these loyal companions. Another tricky area is reasonable adjustments. While service providers must make accommodations under the Disability Discrimination Act, how does this translate to insurance? Is refusing to cover service dog-specific risks a form of discrimination, or just smart business from the insurer's perspective? These are questions both legal experts and insurers tussle over, adding another layer of complexity to the mix. Claims and coverage disputes are where the rubber meets the road. You've got policies projected to push the pet insurance market to USD 2,751.2 million by 2030, yet clarity remains elusive. Take, for example, the person whose claim for a critical procedure was denied because the insurer didn't deem it necessary. Despite the vet's insistence, it's a stark reminder that a proactive understanding of your policy isn't just beneficial, it's essential. And preventive care? Service dogs often require more frequent health checks due to their demanding schedules. But if they're not explicitly covered, you're looking at significant out-of-pocket expenses. Common reasons for claim denials include pre-existing conditions or services not detailed in the policy. For service dogs, these issues are compounded by the work-related nature of their conditions, an area ripe for dispute. Finally, as we learn more about the psychological toll on service dogs, treatments for anxiety or PTSD are becoming common. Yet many policies don't cover these, leading to more disputes. So what do you do if you find yourself in a disagreement with your insurer? Conclusion, 30 seconds. As we wrap up, remember that knowledge and preparation are your best allies. Keep thorough documentation and be clear about your service dog's needs when discussing policies. Understanding the landscape can help you navigate these challenges, ensuring that your loyal companion receives the care they deserve. Thanks for tuning into The Service Dog Companion. Don't miss our next episode, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of service dogs. Until then, take care and keep advocating for these incredible animals.